Today on Drive-Thru Kitchen, I'm making Taco Bell's enchilito. You know it, you love it, you miss it, they bring it back, they don't, they mess it up. What are you going to do but make it yourself? And that's what we do here. We make it better and cheaper in your own kitchen, showing you the best way to do this at home. This one is super easy because I already showed you how to do the meat, right? You already saw that one, the Taco Bell meat. There's a video, maybe I have a link up to it right about here. Probably, it's right there. That meat right there will make your family think they're eating a Taco Bell. And what's the best thing everybody loves at Taco Bell? The Mexican pizza. No, the enchilito. Okay, fine. This is a close second, right? If you're of a certain age, this one's your favorite. So we are going to make this today. It's super simple. There's only a couple of ingredients. Everything we need is right here. But you're looking at that tortilla going, what? It looks a little weird, doesn't it? Yeah. You know why? And I'll do this here so you can see it better. That is a corn flour hybrid, as they actually use. This is the real deal here, folks. This is the thing back in the day. I mean, the foil tin days. This is the tortilla that was used. This is the one I was able to find at H-E-B. It's a mixla. It is a hybrid corn and flour. This is a little bit heavier on the corn than it is the flour as far as what they used, but good luck finding something with a different percentage of that. You can make it yourself. Maybe someday we will, but this is a great solution if you don't live next to an H-E-B, if you're not in Texas. You can order these through the mail. Don't do it in the summertime probably because, you know, that's not a good idea. But you can get these things or something similar. Some people have said Trader Joe's is a place you can get them. I don't know. I've never found them at Trader Joe's. That might be a regional thing. Tortillas are very regional. It's like bread. They're made fairly locally to where you live. You'll have different brands in different places, but they're not generally made in like one central place and then shipped all over the country. They have to be fresh, so you're going to find things regionally. That's a lot of words for look at the tortillas. All right, so we have our corn hybrid tortilla here. It is warmed up. I just put this in a dry frying pan and flipped this a few times because it's more like a corn tortilla the way it heats up than a flour. Flour tortilla, you can throw it in the microwave for 15 seconds, something like that. It'd be fine. But we are going to put this wheat in our dish here. This is an au gratin dish. Au gratin, if you want to say it in English. But this is a fantastic vessel for this. It kind of mimics their cool little tub thing because you can't buy those, and why would you? So you can get a set of these on the Amazons. This is the larger size. I think it's the 7 or 8 inch, something like that. They're fantastic. I've had these, well, my mom bought these back in, I don't even know when. So I couldn't tell you exactly where these came from. I doubt it was Amazon. All right, first thing going down here is some refried beans. We've got some lovely refried beans. I have not put out the video for this yet on duplicating Taco Bell's refried beans, but depending on when you're watching this, it may already be there. So you can always go to the Taco Bell playlist on the channel homepage and look for all the different recipes, the sauces, the meats, all those fun things. This should be there if you're not watching this within the next 2 weeks. Anyways, it will come out very soon. We are going to put a smear of beans down as they would, right there. Good amount of beans, not a ton, but a fairly good amount. Meat, they were always stingy on the meat, but we don't have to be, we get to be. So this one is actually being made for my wife, so I'm not going to go crazy with the meat. You can go much crazier with the meat. This is a little light on the meat if I'm being 100% honest. But that's the way she likes it, so that's the way she's going to get it. Add more meat to this if you're making this for not a crazy person. I think I just got yelled at. A little bit of onions. This is a diced white onion going in here. This goes on the inside of this. There is a little bit of onion inside for sure, just not a ton. The cheese was optional inside. Some people did, some people didn't do it back in the day. I worked there back when enchilito was still around. It was in the plastic tub days post olives, but a little bit of sauce inside. This is our red enchilada sauce that I just made over at Guillermo's Cocina, my other channel. I've got a few of these things. If you haven't seen that video, this is a homemade red enchilada sauce, tomato sauce, 3 different kinds of chilies, some onions, some garlic, a little cumin. Cook that up. It's super fast, super easy, super delicious. This really does replicate theirs very, very well. It's a little sweeter than an enchilada sauce. It doesn't have the bitterness to it. So it's going to be perfect in this. All we have to do is roll this thing, and then we can use more of that sauce here in about 2 seconds. So we're just going to bring this into us, tuck it, roll it, and there you go. That's a little itty bitty guy because I tucked it real tight. If you want to make 2 of these, you can put them side by side. I'm not doing that, but this is okay. It's a little tight because, again, she doesn't want a ton of meat in this thing. So I'm making it just slightly smaller than that. Now we have a ladle of lid of our sauce. A scoop of sauce going down. It should drip down the sides beautifully like that because that's what you want. You want that nice coverage. Cheddar cheese is the only thing that goes on top of this. I shredded this cheese myself because it's better. If you only have the bags or you're allergic to shredding cheese, go ahead. Just know that there is a coating on those pre-shredded cheeses that is there to prevent it from sticking. It also prevents it from melting. So on something like this, I really advise not doing that. Now, you're going to say Taco Bell has pre-shredded cheese. No, they get a giant block of cheese and it goes through their shredder and then it goes right into a bag and it gets used almost immediately. It does not have that coating on it, that cellulose starchy coating. So there you go. Argument number 2. All right, I don't know. I did this video on a How to Cook channel a few years ago about the enchilito. And boy, I got a couple things wrong and people let me know. So I'm making sure I don't make those mistakes. This time, this thing is going into the microwave. I know traditionally it's steamed. That's why they had to get rid of it. It's because it takes too long to steam it. But I don't have a steamer. You don't have a steamer just sitting here. Just come on. So we're going to put this in the microwave. It's going to take about a minute or so to do, depending on the strength of your microwave. Maybe 1 minute and 10, 20, somewhere in that range. But you just want to get the cheese melted. Do not obliterate this. Just don't put it in there for 1.5 minutes and think it's going to be okay, because it won't. All right, it's going in the microwave. I'll be back when it's melted. Okay, this looks beautiful. It looks perfect. It's only missing one thing. Well, 3 things, and those are the black olives. Don't ever, ever disrespect the black olive. I made that mistake once. I will never make that mistake again. Here's an extra black olive. In case 3 wasn't enough, I could put 4 in it, but I'm not gonna. It has to have the black olives or the internet will crucify you. So put the black olives on it. And you have the Taco Bell Enchirito, ready to eat, ready to devour, ready to enjoy. Super simple, super easy. You saw how fast this was. If I wasn't talking, I could have done this in a minute. You can too, but I talk too much. So that's a 7-minute video. Probably 8. Getting longer every second. All right, I'm going to say thanks for watching this one. If you enjoy this recipe right here and want to see more stuff like this, you can always subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. They'll tell you when the videos come out. And if you really, really like this, you can hit the thumbs up down there. And always leave me a comment. I love the comments. Let me know what I got wrong or what you want to see next. Because this is about making fast food favorites at home. What's your favorite? I'll make it, and then you'll know, and then the world will know. Perfect. Thanks for watching this drive-through kitchen. This is how to make the Taco Bell Enchirito, and I'm out of here.